anything like me, you're getting ready to plant your garden, you're getting really excited. Where I live, outside of Buffalo, New York, there's not too much that I can plant right now, but I am excited and I'm getting ready. I found an online seed catalog where each seed packet is 90 cents. And it had really, really good reviews from other people that I had seen that used it. So today I'm going to do an unbagging, I guess it's not an unboxing, of the seeds that I got from the Homesteaders starting package. Hello, sunshine. Your order from Sow Right Seeds is here. And the link to order these is in the description box, as well as a 10% off coupon code they gave me to give to all my viewers. There's a lot in here for seeds. There's 35 different kinds. The first one is sweet corn, Bantam sweet corn, non-GMO. I believe these are all heirloom seeds as well. Corn is actually something that I've been wanting to grow, and I've been told by people that it's not worth it to grow it unless you're like have a huge operation. But it's something that I want to try, and I've also wanted to try the Three Sisters gardening method. So I might do two different plots, like one that's a Three Sisters garden and one that is just like a little mini cornfield. All right, the next thing that we've got in here is California giant zinnias. They attract birds, bees, and butterflies. Blooms continuously until first fall frost. This says that you should plant them next to your Whopper tomatoes, eggplant, lettuce, cucumber, and squash because it's going to attract the pollinators, but it's also going to deter pests like tomato worms and cucumber beetles. This one we've got is yellow sweet Spanish onions, cilantro. I love me some cilantro. My favorite herb though is actually dill. I love dill, and I'll put it on like everything. Don't judge me. Boop. The staple in our house. We've got cucumbers. Microgreens. So we've got broccoli microgreens. So the cool thing about microgreens is this is something I can grow right now in my house, in my little indoor greenhouse garden. And crimson sweet watermelon. The kids are going to be really, really excited about that one. Cauliflower. There's so many in here. I'm just going to kind of go through them really quick. So then you've got radishes. These are all non-GMO. Turnips. I've never grown turnips before, and it's not really something that we eat in this house. Serrano peppers. That's also one that I've never grown before, but I will be growing now that I have the seeds. Oh, that looks delicious. Butter crunch lettuce. Swiss chard, rainbow. Another thing that I've never grown before. Our garden is gonna be popping. Some melon, broccoli. All together, this costs like $35, and then I can give you a 10% off discount. You also get free shipping, and it came to like 31. It ended up being like 89, almost 90 cents a seed packet for this entire thing. We've got some more onions, yellow sweet Spanish. Didn't I already have yellow sweet Spanish? Okay, yes I did. I already had yellow sweet Spanish in there. Basil, asparagus. My kids actually love asparagus, so I'm really excited about that. Black Beauty eggplant. That's one that we don't really eat. California Wonder peppers. Carrots. Celery. Lots and lots of stuff. Marigolds. Marigolds are great to plant next to your tomatoes, and they're pretty, but they actually help the tomatoes grow some. Arugula. This is another one that we have not yet planted, so we're gonna have a lot of new fun things in our garden. A different type of carrots. So we've got two different types of carrots. Beefsteak tomatoes. I'll be starting those inside, obviously. Bush beans. My kids hate these. They love to eat them. They hate snipping. I remember when I was a kid, I used to snip all the beans, and it wasn't a bad memory for me, but oh, I guess they don't like it. We've got Roma tomatoes. So we've got two different types of tomatoes. Spinach. Bull's blood beets. So these are going to be really good. I'll can some, and then we will make pickled eggs because we have the beets. We love pickled eggs. Sugar snap peas. I apologize if you can hear like my washer and dryer and stuff going. I'm in the basement. Pumpkins. A huge pumpkin patch last year. Actually, we kind of had some volunteer pumpkins, so we had pumpkins that were in with like our zucchini and stuff too, which wasn't great because then we ended up having some really funky squash in between. But I like having extra pumpkins because my goats love them. Same with winter squash. There's a lot of seeds. I don't have to buy any seeds. I'm done. $31. I'm done buying seeds. Round zucchini. I've never planted round zucchini before. Never had round zucchini. Never planted it. Never tasted it. I'm sure it tastes the same. Oh, these were my favorite when I was a kid. Lima beans, but they're the pretty ones. Got our last one. Red acre cabbage. They actually threw me in an extra because that one that I had the duplicate of, that was an extra one. So I actually got 36, which makes it a little bit cheaper for me, but I think that they accidentally, 2 of them must have gotten stuck together while they were, you know, packing them. 36, but 35 seed packets for $31 and some odd cents. Ends up being like 89, 90 cents. No shipping. So I went into Walmart yesterday and I saw the seeds up. Every single seed packet at Walmart is like $2 to $5 a packet. I think the cheapest ones I saw were like $1.88 actually. Like $1.88 to like $5 per seed packet. This right here will make for an incredible garden, and there's no way, like I'm gonna have extras. I won't be using every single seed in this. It's going to work for more than 1 year. Most of these you could save the seeds from, and this can be your unlimited garden. And they're offering free shipping. I don't know if free shipping is all the time, but it is right now. Is there anything that you're like, okay, well they should have included this? Because I think that pretty much we got all the staples in here, I think, plus some that I've never grown before, and I like to play, so we'll get to play with some new veggies. My daughter drinks a lot of tea, and one of her projects for the spring is going to be putting together a garden that is just for her teas. So if you've ever done that before, done an herbal tea garden, let me know what you planted and what you definitely think that I should plant. We've already gone through, we've planted a couple of the things inside, we started them. Also, if you're new to gardening or you like to have like a system in place, you can check out this video which will walk you through how to set up your gardening planner, like your calendar for your whole year for all your plants. I used it last year and I thought it was pretty cool. Not like the Farmer's Almanac one used to be, but it's got some things in there that the Farmer's Almanac didn't have, so I think it's pretty neat.